Ka police training school jong ka jila ka badon ha umran Ribhoy district menta ka sngi ka arphoi terik ulaber ka penlong ya ka program mani pliu jingmut ha ka bay day ba ka jing thaulat man ai jing da ya ka LONGRYNYENG jaki KYNTHEI lani ka women safety ha ka jing tray lang ba ka Bureau of Police Research and Development ka Director General of Police ka kong ai nong rang ka balong ka kong san ha kani ka program kala ong bawat lada ka Meghalaya ka day makna ka jila ka ba ai bosh ki KYNTHEI hinrei hadu menta menne ki riu KYNTHEI ki dang e kendu shibun ki jing e pat ki dang shong sier ha ka let ka wan kala bu jingkali ru ba balai hadu kini ki snem la bun tli la pinmi ki awareness program of repair hinrei om pat la ban wan ra e ka jing shong shnga ni ki riu KYNTHEI shushu kala ong banang ni shakmat ling ba gani ka program ka kermen ka kala banyo ino ki jing kala.
As Mary had mentioned, this is the third such symposium which has been conducted by the Meghalaya Police Academy. This symposium has been sponsored by the BPRNG in Delhi, and BPRNG has been very helpful and very supportive to all the efforts that we've had in connection with women's safety and also the safety of children in our state. This symposium, I think, will look to consolidate efforts of all stakeholders to ensure the safety, security and well-being of women and children in our state. I was just looking at some of the data which I had to add and last attended a similar symposium. At that time, we have, when I was counting, we have well over 60 laws to address various issues pertaining to women. Of these, 7 are very important. And added to that, we have 13 rights which are guaranteed to all women under the Indian Constitution. But despite this plethora of laws and regulations, why, after so many years after the Nirabhaya raid, which really shook up the whole country and made us really look at the issue of women's safety, why are we still having symposium after symposium, awareness program after awareness programs? Our figures when it comes to crimes against women have not gone down in any way, in fact have increased. And in the state of Meghalaya, where we pride ourselves on being a matriarchal society, we have not bucked the trend, the national trend. Darton had given you some statistics as to how things don't look very pleasant. In fact, they're very grim when it comes to women's safety and the crime against women and children. I was looking at the resource persons that we have here today with us. We have very eminent people from various aspects and who deal with the various stakeholders on this issue of women's safety. I do hope that this symposium will not only discuss the problem, but also how we go about implementing and ensuring that the safety and the security of the women in Meghalaya improve. When we look at the Women's Safety Index, which has been conducted which is done, the assessment is done every year. Unfortunately for us, India hasn't progressed very much. We started in 2019, it was 133, ranked 133 out of 169 countries. 2020, thanks to the pandemic, we went up a little bit. But then 2021, which I just saw the results recently, we've again gone down. In fact, from 133, we've gone down to 137. And then it just begs the question, what are we doing? Are we actually implementing all the rules and the regulations, all the laws that we have enacted in the manner in which it is envisaged for it to be a success? What are the things that we look at when we're talking about women's safety? The 3 principal indices in which when we look at we try to do an assessment. That's inclusion, justice, and security. But in all of this, security is paramount, at least in my opinion. Because without security for the women, all the other things are immaterial. For example, if you take Kerala, when you look at human resources, the indices in Kerala, it's the best in the country. Unfortunately, this is not translated to be the best where women's safety is concerned. So when a state like Kerala, which has so much, which is so far ahead of the rest of the country, still has an issue of women's safety, it only makes us think even what do we need to do? Because when we talk of security of women, it actually provides a true, when we look at the security of women, that actually provides a true picture of what exactly is the present context. Because while violence, organized violence, in fact, if you look at maybe insurgency-related violence, which is organized violence or organized crime, on that indice, we are not, we're doing well. But the other indices, when it talks of violence against women, whether it is violence in an intimate partner, whether it's violence in the workplace, whether it's violence in public places, the perception is, and the reality. Here, the perception and reality closely match each other, in that women's safety is really, really a cause of concern. So, given that we have all of these very negative images in front of us, what is it that we as the police and the other stakeholders, whether it's from the judiciary, whether it's from the social welfare, whether it's from the health department, and whatever, all the other stakeholders are here with us today. What is it that we can do to ensure that we improve the safety and security of women in Meghalaya? What is it that we can aim for? What is it that we can look forward to ensure that we not only threatened and we have that right, but we also live up to the perception or live up to a goal of having a women's safety as one of the priorities as a development indice for the state. I take this opportunity to wish the symposium all the very best. I'm sure that with the thoughts that have been, with the sessions that have been charted out, there would be a meaningful discussion. And like I said, let me just reiterate, let's look for solutions and the manner in which we implement those solutions. Thank you very much.